Snowstorm Duralox number 1. Saturday, February 6th, 4:40 p.m. It's been raining for about it's been snowing for about 27 hours now. And it's built up. I'd say it's about 2 feet by now. The fire hydrant's almost covered, and so is my mailbox. It's just been pretty extreme. At times it'll be nice, like it'll just be snowing, but other times it'll be like pouring, or not pouring, but hitting down really hard. And I was outside about an hour ago, and it was bad because the top layer is still powdery snow, so when the wind comes, it's just blowing all in your face. And I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but my fingers are really fat right now. I guess because it was so cold outside, but it feels like it's just expanding, and my skin's not big enough for all this expansion, so it feels like when I clench my fist, like if I poke a needle, it'll just pop because it feels so tight, and it hurts really bad right now. And I don't want to put it under warm water because that's going to hurt. But yeah, I went about an hour ago, and I built some sculptures, which I'll be showing you in just about a minute. And, what else? We're on snowstorm watch until about 10 tonight, so we have about like 5 more hours. I don't know if it'll snow until 10. Right now, the snow is just kind of floating around. It's not even like coming to the ground. Like I was outside, and the snow would just be like floating all around, and it wouldn't go down. It was so weird. Here's my new Stafford track and field. I've been wearing it for like 2 days straight now. But yeah, so I built 3 sculptures so far, which I'll be showing you. And then tomorrow, supposedly, we're supposed to be, like, as a family thing, we're going to build an igloo type house thing, but that's not going to work out. But yeah, so let me go and show you my sculptures. Okay, hey guys, we're outside right now, and ready to show you my snow sculptures. Okay, this is my first one. He's a mini snowman. He has bottle cap eyes, Coca-Cola, and a little twigs I picked out. This next one is a special one. It's a football for Super Bowl tomorrow. Yay! And this last one is my igloo house that had a burning candle, but it went out, I guess because it's just snowing. But yes, those are my 3 sculptures. And now I'll take you, this is my backyard, so I'll take you to the front of the house, because Sherry, I just slide down these staircases. I can't really walk them since they're covered with snow. Ooh. Okay. One more time. Here we go. Okay. That was good. Now, before I end the video, I'm walking out here to the front of my house to show Sherry the front of it because I'm supposed to have done this a couple of months ago, but I never got around to it. So, yep, let's go. As you can see, everything is white out here. Everything is white. Fire hydrant almost covered, like I said. And Sherry, there's the front of my house. Yep. Dunno. Okay. Now we'll be going to my front door, and I'll be completing this video. Bye bye, Sherry, and everybody else. Happy snow day.